Hello everyone! Welcome to the Rambler's Ballad with a special guest star.
Me, the good doctor. Yay.
Yay! I will be including subscriptions to him and us, and hopefully you will like us, but we are here on the castling and the crashing to hopefully enjoy our time here and make fun of poop owls and make fun of things. All will be glorious. Now, I'm probably going to post this the same day as my Battle Block Theater Let's Play. So, hopefully you guys will enjoy that too. Alright, that's my guy. I'm green. It's my second favorite color.
Where is blue?
There he is.
Yay.
Now, the last time I recorded this, the sound bugged out, so I really hope it doesn't do that.
Fuck.
Yeah, it, like, fast-forwarded and we sound like chipmunks. Aw, poor guy. Wow, having an arrow in your face just is not all that pleasant. Almost as bad as getting shot in the face. Alright, basic controls.
So.
A is to jump, X is to attack, B uses items that you currently have, but you shouldn't have anything at this moment. The bumpers switch between your weapons. Items. The left trigger, if you hold it down, is defense. You're basically invincible if you use it. And the right trigger activates magic. You can push Y for your splash attack, but you don't have any other spells yet. You can also push Y without your magic on to use your heavy attack. Let's talk to this guy. He's going to give us your first item. You should have a potion. Yep, there it is. Oh, we both have it. Attack this thing. These other guys just teach you the things that we taught you. You can look back to them for reference.
Yay. Reference.
The mage. Aw, he's a...
He is the worst boss in the game.
He stole my gem! Actually, I think there's another boss that's 3 times harder than him, but... I don't have any spoilers for that. But that's quite obvious that we'd be fighting him. Oh, if you walk to that pitchfork, you get that's a weapon, but it's not that great, so I won't bother.
It is crap-tastic.
We'll be getting other weapons.
Don't worry, we'll be switching out weapons soon.
I probably won't. I'll probably just stay to this. Food restores health.
What the hell?
You switch the weapon. Let's see. Oh yeah, +1 strength, minus... Oh wow, that's actually not too bad. Oh crap. Crap, okay, yeah, our connection is pretty bad. Sorry about that.
It's live, people!
Yep, it is very much live. Considering we live in 2 different states, I would imagine there would be a bit of a dilemma with connection.
Yay!
Come back with my woman!
Yes! We should not steal the hotness.
So yeah, every weapon we come across I'll try and post the thing in annotations, so... I'll get it straight from the wiki. Just like I'm doing for my Fallout.
Oh, wiki! Food! It is delicious.
Take that!
It actually serves a purpose. Unlike in Fallout, where I never ever use it. Unless I'm desperate.
Or if you're playing hardcore mode. Which, thank God I'm not doing that.
I did that once.
I liked it, but for an LP I think it would be a bit difficult.
Too,
Oh. We already killed them. Balls.
They're dead. On the die.
Take that!
Feel my magic. I am bringing the ice.
Ah, take that. Another thing I should mention is that all enemies have a chance to drop the weapon that they're holding, so... It's pretty rare, but...
The club is actually really good.
The club?
Can't use it until level 20. Yeah, the club that guy was holding is actually really good.
Oh, can't wait then. Oh yeah, red bar is health up in the top corner. You can see both of our healths. The blue is magic.
Yeah.
And the purple bar is XP. How much you have till you level up. Now first, we're gonna go back here. Because we got something we gotta pick up.
Hey.
Golden Compass! We need this. This is one of the 3 main items. Now, in there is the animal arc, but we don't need to go in there, so you shouldn't have any animals right now. And this is the weapon area. And my friend here wants to pick out his weapon, but I think I'll stick to this.
Broccoli sword!
Broccoli sword?
Broccoli sword. It is amazing.
What? I have not heard of
Broccoli
this.
sword.
I seriously oh my god. It is a broccoli sword.
This is amazing.
Oh my god. Well...
Actually, this one's the bestest.
Is it?
This one has
Oh,
fire.
it does. Ooh, that is pretty. Anyway, I'll be sticking with this for now. I'll
Broccoli.
probably change weapons off screen if I want to have a different one.
I bring health and vitamins.
See, kids, broccoli is good for you.
Great weapon.
Wow, your health is low, mate. If you die, we'll get to show off another mechanic.
Yay, dying.
Ah, there we go. There. Alright. Enemies, barbarians, and thieves will also have a chance to drop a bow. But you won't be seeing that drop because we both already have it, but... Bow and arrows are infinite.
Yeah, I don't know why if when you reset your character you don't get a new one.
Because the items are bound to you specifically. Newgrounds has this thing where they really like to save data online rather than on the console. Which proves a problem for me for Battle Block Theater because I can't restart from scratch and show everyone the actual thing. So I think I'll just... For Battle Block Theater, I'll just have my special community thing. And possibly prizes, people. Prizes. You like prizes, right?
Prizes!
If you like prizes, you should get
Doesn't
people
like
to
free stuff.
subscribe to us more. Because I'm not going to do prizes if it's just all both of us now. Don't everyone talk at once. Our second enemy, thieves. These guys also have a chance to drop a bow, I believe. I leveled up. But I'm not entirely certain about that. If I'm not, then I'll pose an invitation that I'm a liar.
Yeah, they do drop bows, and they use them a lot, which is really annoying because bows knock
They
down.
do. Thieves love you to use bows, which is why I'm leaving that thief down in the corner alone for now. But he eventually stops looting that dead guy. So...
Okay, I now leveled up.
Another thing you should know is that you gain XP for
King is
how many
yelling
times
at
you
me.
hurt someone.
Okay.
There is an animal orb that we can get that increases that amount of XP. Where am I going? I'm not paying attention.
That is much later.
I'm trying to watch both the screens here. Watching my television and then this.
Computers. Don't get confused, Lunar.
I can't help it! Oh god, if I was playing as one of the enemies, think how confusing that would be.
Yeah. Good thing we're different colors. That's good.
Our first boss! Ah! Ow! My face!
Apparently it does rock, because it sings.
This is the battering ram. I'll post stats if there are any stats to be had. But probably your best chance to defeat this guy is to just mash the X and Y buttons a lot. He has 3 attacks. He rams people, and he shoots out those cannonballs. And his other attack, I guess, is more of a support thing. He drops out enemies that are inside, which are infinitely spawning, so your best bet is just kill the ram.
It's an evil Trojan horse. Fighting the Trojan.
Alright.
Not dead.
If you want to grind for XP, I suppose you can just kill all the spawns he makes.
Yeah.
Remember that one glitch that you could do? The sand desert glitch?
Yeah, yeah. That doesn't work anymore.
Sad face.
I tried it. Now the monsters spit acid or something.
Yeah, I heard they fixed that glitch a while back. Oh, you can attack trees to get this food and stuff, but we have no need to kill that tree now.
Yes, save the trees.
Ah, take that! Barbarians! Ah.
He's dead.
Another thing I could probably note... Crap, am I being called? Son of a biscuit. You kill these guys, I'm probably gonna cut this out.
Okay.
Hang on. Crap. I cannot find my phone. Oh, there it is. Oh, no, it's just a friend. She can wait for now.
People.
Complain at her a little later. crap! Ah, sorry about that. I'll cut that mic nonsense out too. I probably won't cut this out because I didn't actually leave, but...
It's funny!
Alright, switch to my boomer jigger. Poison!
Feel the power of broccoli!
My farts are powerful! Okay. Yeah! Now, to break that down, you have to actually attack it, but I'm too lazy, so we're both pretty lazy.
We use the thing... the boomerang, which we get at some point, but I don't remember what.
You get it in the desert, I believe.
You get a lot of stuff in the desert. Ironic, because it's a desert.
I have a voicemail.
Baby. You got mail.
You got threats!
Hey, it's the hotties. We'll save you.
Oh, crap. Alright, the next boss.
Huh.
I think his name is the Barbarian King. I'm not certain what his actual name is.
He's a fatty.
Ah!
Hi, fatty.
I believe he has 4 attacks. That punching
Where am I?
move, this one right here. And he's got
Super
one more
slow.
move that he gets when he's at half health, but his third move is this one right here. Ow. We both got hit.
He can't do anything when he does that last one.
Alright. Ah! If you get hit by that, shake the control stick left and right and the moving stick left and right and you should be good. Which I believe would be left stick. Enemies are also infinitely spawning here, so I would ignore them if you can. Unless you feel like grinding.
Unless you wanna
Yeah.
grind.
That doesn't do too much damage.
No, they're taking the hotties.
No! My woman! You will pay for this! Ah! We leveled up.
Yay.
Ow. Ah,
Hey,
dang it. Ah,
barbarian.
he laughed at me. Alright, this is his 4th move.
Don't even try to attack. You won't become vulnerable again until he.
You mean like I just did? Cause I am so smart. Ah, damn it.
Ow.
Come on, come on. Ah!
Actually, a lot of bosses do that thing. I mean, they may not be shoving you in the ground,
Where
but
am I? There
that
it is.
jiggle a stick to get back to mobility.
Move up! Now, see, that's one thing I have against Castle
Oh,
Crashers,
geez.
is that the camera angles are just off for me. Die, damn it!
Yeah.
Get out of my life, barbarians! Okay.
At least the other guys died.
Yes! Money!
Money! It rains from the sky.
Woo! I'm gonna take all of the monies. Now, every time you fight a boss with the princess,
Oh, my
you
money.
must battle your friends if you're fighting with a friend. So, he's got the broccoli sword, so I'm probably gonna get scrawed in this one. Unless I plan! Ah!
The hotness shall be mine.
Get away! Must avoid hits!
You shall be frozen.
Ah! Get away! Damn your broccoli!
Fear the vitamins.
Ah! Yeah! Taste my pizza breath! Ha! Your magics are still low. Huh? Whoa! Here! Poison! Ah! Cheater!
Ah.
Oh god! I will cheat too! Ah! Damn it! Ah! Ah! Oh god, I didn't know. Oh god. Damn your icicle pops! Aha! Ah, damn my mic. Ah, I'm adjusting! Do not hit a knight while he is adjusting his microphone!
Aha! Fear me! It's slap across the room!
Damn it! No!
Oh, victory!
No!
The hotness shall be mine!
Damn it!
Nom 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 nom.
Alright, so that's it. First round of levels and yeah, all that good stuff. I got more XP than you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so this is the...
I got what counts.
So this is the stats where you level up. After every round, you will get to upgrade yourself. Now, strength is damage. Magic is both how much magic power, or how much damage it does, how quickly it recharges, and if you get new spells. If you hit this little blue mark here, you get a new spell. But I don't think I got enough for that, so I'm just gonna leave that there for now.
What to do?
I believe I remember one of my friends boosted... Oh yeah, that bottom one was agility, which affects bows and arrows too, not just how fast you run. Alright, so, in the next episode, we will chase these kidnapping women stealers and go through the forests, the den of thieves.
And save the day!
Alright, so subscribe to one of us, or both of us, preferably both of us. I would like both. Obey him, you are the audience! But... Alright, so, subscribe to us, and be well, everyone.
Yeah.
Signing off!